Hey, this morning I'm going to give you a link to a satellite image I've been watching. It just shows the Earth's wind directions and it also shows the Earth's CO2 gases, among other things. So stay tuned. Hey, welcome to Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. I'm your host, Jerry Hanson. This is my YouTube channel. Some of you may be seeing this on Facebook, maybe Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, Tumblr. I'm a lot of different, I upload to a lot of different social media groups, but this is about the fires, the wildfires in the West Coast. I have a link to a satellite imagery of showing wind, current, and ocean current directions throughout the world. And it also shows different gases that appear in the atmosphere. And this is an ominous view of a map that I just recorded moments ago. It's 8:30 in the morning here on the 11th of September in the year 2020. I live near Medford, Oregon, where we just had a devastating wildfire stretch north from Ashland to Medford and just left hellscape in its path. I have several families and friends that have lost their homes, and yeah, it's just been hell. It has been hell. We are 5 miles from the flames of the open chain fire, and it's I can't convey to you guys. It's distressing. It's really distressing here in Oregon. I mean, this map I'm showing you right here. This shows you that literally half the state of Oregon is in flames. Half of it. This is hell. So we need your prayers, and then once the flames die down, we're going to need your help. Stay tuned for further updates and further information as I can get them to you. I'm Jerry Hanson. This is Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. You can stay tuned by subscribing to the YouTube, clicking the bell icon up there in the corner. That will alert you to the new updates as I upload them. Hey, please, please, please be safe, and always remember, please be kind.
Trying to get through here before trees fall. We're just passing Midway right now.